Alright, get ready. I'm about to hit you with the top 5 fun facts about llamas. Number 5. Llamas are basically the original eco-friendly ride. These guys have been carrying people and gear across the Andes mountains, and they can haul up to 1/3 of their body weight. Imagine hiking with a fluffy backpack that spits at you when it's grumpy. Speaking of spitting, that's number 4. Llamas spit not at humans, well, most of the time, but at each other to sort out llama drama. It's their way of saying back off, buddy. Fact 3. Llamas are super social. They live in herds, make humming noises to chat, and even have best friends. If you separate a llama from its buddy, it'll make noises all day until they're reunited. Down to number 2. Llamas are low-key great for the environment. Their feet are soft and padded, so they don't wreck the grass. And their poop, yep, I'm going there, is actually used as awesome fertilizer. And finally, number 1, llamas have epic hair. Their wool is super warm, doesn't have lanolin like sheep's wool. People use it to make everything from sweaters to ropes. Plus, have you seen a baby llama or cria? Cutest thing ever. So next time you see a llama, remember, they're not just cute, they're fascinating eco-friendly fuzzballs with attitude. Hit like if you learned something new.